Let me start by just describing what this seminar is about. It's a general introduction to the topic of resumes, cover letters, and job interview preparation. My goal here is to help you guys. I hope that one day you'll be in a job interview situation or sending out a resume or sending out a cover letter, and you'll think back on some of the things that I told you here today, and you'll say, oh, I should do that, or oh, I should make sure that I answer this question in that way. And you'll get the outcome you want. You'll either get a job offer or you'll get a call back for an interview. Those types of decisions are critical to be made by hiring managers, and your actions and the way you prepare will determine your future. There's something that I call a situation action result framework. That's where you describe a situation you were in, the actions that you took to resolve that situation, and then the results, preferably financial, that you had as a result of your actions. And then again, money or percentage improvements. Quantify your results. If you don't quantify results, they're going to assume you didn't have any. Always end a cover letter with a call to action. You've just spent 3 paragraphs explaining to 2 to 3 paragraphs explaining to the hiring manager why he should call you, why you're the best candidate. But if you don't end with a definitive call to action, fine, you like me, call me, send me an email. Sometimes they won't follow through. They'll just say, oh, what a nice letter. Include a call to action. It's a typical thing. I think a lot of you guys are in sales. It's a typical thing in sales. It's also good when you're selling yourself. The key to job interview success is just straight out preparation. You want to make sure you're dressed appropriately. You want to know how to research the company. You want to prepare answers to common interview questions and mention specific examples of your accomplishments in each job. And of course, don't forget to send a thank you note. You can see a copy of my book here, The Definitive Guide to Ace Your Interview and Get the Job. It's available on Amazon, also available on my website. Do you have self-insight? That's what they're really asking. Are you aware of your weaknesses and your strengths, and have you taken steps to improve yourself? My traditional answer for the what is your greatest weakness question is to provide an example of a weakness you had in the past. When I had my first job, I was a procrastinator, and I let a project fall behind schedule, and as a result, I wasn't able to get it in time and the quality that I wanted. I learned from that mistake, and I took steps to improve myself. Now I set rigorous time schedules for myself to make sure that I keep up on what I'm doing and never fall behind. I'll never let that happen again. At every job that I've worked for on my resume, I've made a contribution. I think I can make a similar contribution at your company, okay? I'm committed to this industry, and I think your company is great. I think I can make a contribution specifically to your company. You can look at my background and my strengths and see that I'm committed to your industry. The passion should come through in the voice. They say that people make emotional decisions and then rationalize them. In sales, you guys probably know that. You want to convey your emotion, your confidence, and your desire to do well in the position. And try to back it up with, citing specific things on your resume. The amount of preparation that you do is the best way to show you're a great candidate. Because when you answer those questions, they're going to know, wow, this person really knows what they're talking about. Or this person has done their homework and is ready for this interview.
To learn more about Los Angeles Resume Service, please fill out our simple form or call us at 310-871-6695.